Good morning, dear students. Today we will discuss sixth chapter in trigonometry, that is the properties of triangle. In this properties of triangle, two or three marks, three questions will be appeared in your ESET examination point of view. 2 to 3 marks will be appeared in your ESET examination. So in this we have to discuss first basics. So we can take one triangle. This is the triangle. This angle is denoted with capital A. This angle is denoted with capital C. This angle is denoted with capital B. A, B, C angles. So C opposite side will be called A side. This one C is angle, here A opposite this one is B, this side is C. So small a comma b comma c are called sides of the triangle. Capital A, capital B, capital C are called angles of triangle. So here we know sum of all angles A plus B plus C is equal 180. A plus B plus C is equal 180. So now semi perimeter will be denoted as S. S is semi perimeter, that is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. Small a, small b, small c by 2. Small a, small b, small c are sides of the triangle. And del will be represented as, del is nothing but, it is the triangle area. That will be represented with del is equal ABC by 4R. We will discuss this R and each and everything again. Now we will discuss here triangle area, that is a del. So del is equal, first formula, so many formulas are there to finding del, very important question on del. Del is equal 1 by 2 into BC into sin A, or 1 by 2 into CA into sin B, or 1 by 2 into AB into sin C. Any formula you can use to finding area of triangle. Another one, second formula here in this again from this sin A you have to calculate sin angle. A 2 del demedi 2 del by BC. Like from this sin B we will calculate 2 del by CA. Sin C you can calculate here by using this formula. Sin C is equal 2 del by AB. That is the other formula. And coming to third one, del is equal under root of here S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. This is also triangle area formula. Already we know S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. And del is equal ABC by 4R. R is nothing but radius. And finally del is equal 2R square into sin A, sin B, sin C. So these formulas are used to find triangle area. And another one, in circle radius R, small r, it will be calculated as R is equal del by S. Where del we know already s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, comma s is nothing but a plus b plus c by 2, a plus b plus c by 2. And one more formula, r is equal del r into sin a by 2 into sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, So in this, still from first to till this part, 1 mark question will be appeared, 1 mark question will be appeared. And next mark purpose, here we have to discuss rules. Sine rule, very very powerful sine rule. In any triangle, in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, a by sin a is equal to b by sin b is equal to c by sin c is equal to r. This is the sine rule. A by sin a, b by sin b, c by sin c is equal. Here small a, b, c are sides, capital A, b, c are angles of the triangle. So small a is equal to r into sin a, as well as small b is equal this one 2r into sin b. From this c is equal, we can write 2r into sin c, 2r into sin c. This is nothing but sine rule. Similarly, we have to discuss about cosine rule. Cosine rule in any triangle ABC, it will have a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a, or it will also called as cos a is equal to angle b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. Like similarly, another sides, b square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca into cos b, or from this cos b we will write like c square plus a square minus b square by 2ca. And finally, here c square is equal a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c, that is represented as cos c is equal, we will call a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. So in this we will find angle, or we will, if sides we know, then we will find angles easily, or one angle, 2 sides we know, we will easily find third side also. Like it will be used cosine rule. Now you can consider projection rule. In this projection rule, in a triangle ABC, small a is equal to b cos c plus c cos b. This is the, here this is angle, these two b and c are called sides of the triangle. So here b is equal to c cos a plus a cos c, and c is equal a cos b plus b cos a cos b plus b cos a. This is a projection rule. So from this sine rule, cosine rule, projection rule, from this we will get 1 mark worth. Next, third mark, this is nothing but second model. Second model is sine rule. Second model is nothing but sine rule, cosine rule, as well as projection rule. ఈ ప్రొజెక్షన్ రూల్ నుంచి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ వస్తుంది నాన్న, ఒక 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్ వస్తాయి. థర్డ్ మోడల్ హాఫ్ యాంగిల్ ఫార్ములాస్. దీని నుంచి 1 క్వశ్చన్ వస్తాయి. టోటల్ 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి, 3 మార్క్స్ వర్త్. సో హాఫ్ యాంగిల్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఎలా ఉన్నాయి చూడండి. సైన్ a/2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ s minus b into s minus c by bc, and sin b/2 is equal under root of s minus c into s minus a by ca. Sin c/2 is equal under root s minus a into s minus b by ab. Similarly, this will also expressed in cos rule. Cos a/2 is equal under root s into s minus a by bc. Here cos b/2 is equal under root s into s minus b by ca. Cos c/2 is equal under root s into s minus c by ab. పైన యాంగిల్ వస్తే పైన c రావాలి, మిగతా రెండు సైడ్స్ కింద. సో tan అంటే ఇప్పుడు tan అంటే ఏంటి, tan a/2 దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ sin a/2 బై cos a/2, sin a/2 బై cos a/2. సో అండర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ s మైనస్ b ఇంటూ s మైనస్ ఇది s మైనస్ b ఇంటూ s మైనస్ c బై s ఇంటూ s మైనస్ a. హియర్ bc క్యాన్సల్, bc క్యాన్సల్ అయితే s మైనస్ b s మైనస్ c బై s ఇంటూ s మైనస్ a. Or we will write this one s minus b into s minus c by del, s minus b into s minus c by del. Like here tan b/2 is equal under root of s minus c into s minus a by s into s minus b. Or we will write s minus c into s minus a by del, s minus c into s minus a by del. So here tan c/2 is equal under root of s minus a, here s minus b by s into s minus c. Or we will write s minus a into s minus b by del, s minus b by del. This is the one model. So now here sin a/2 is equal, or sin a formula, how we will write 2 sin a/2 into cos a/2. That is nothing but you can substitute there 2 by bc into under root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. This one is also called as del, 2 del by bc, that is a sin a. ఆల్రెడీ ఫస్ట్ మోడల్ నుంచి మనం దీన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం ఆల్రెడీ. సో like here sin b is equal 2 del by ca, and sin c is equal 2 del by ab, 2 del by ab. And last and final point we have to discuss about r1 is equal del by s minus a, r2 is equal del by s minus b, r3 is equal del by s minus c, and 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 is equal 1 by r, comma del square is equal r1 r2 r3. Similarly r1 plus r2 plus r3 is equal 4r plus small r, and finally r1 r2 plus r2 r3 plus r3 r1 is equal s square. So from these points we will get one question. Total 3 questions will be appeared from these basic formulas. Now we will discuss problems on these topics. Now today we'll start problems on this topic. In a triangle ABC, if small a is equal to 2 centimeters, small b is equal to 3 centimeters, and small c is equal 4 centimeters, then cos a is equal how much? Cos a is equal how much? Option A 6 by 7, B 7 by 8, C 8 by 7, D 9 by 7. So how to solve this problem? Simply we know cosine rule, cos A is equal, automatically we have B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. You can substitute that values. B square 3 square 9 plus 16 minus 4 by 2 into 3 into 4, that is nothing but 21 by 24. 3 7s are 3 8s are 7 by 8. Option B is correct answer. Option B is correct answer. సో ఈజీగానే ఉంటాయి, సమయానికి ఆ థాట్ రావాలి. సో నౌ టూ సైడ్స్ ఆర్ included, two sides are included, angle of a triangle are 3 plus root 3 comma 3 minus root 3 and 60 degrees. Then the third side is dash. Option A root 2, B 2 root 2, C 3 root 2, D 4 root 2. For this case, here two sides are given, angle is also given. So you can consider A is equal 3 plus root 3, B is equal 3 minus root 3, angle C is equal 60 degrees. So we know C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB into cos C. You can substitute here 3 plus root 3 whole square plus 3 minus root 3 whole square minus 2 into 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3 into cos 60. A, B plus లలో ఆ కరస్పాండింగ్ వాల్యూలో సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్. సో A plus B into A minus B, A plus B into A plus B whole square plus A minus B whole square ఏమైతే ఇప్పుడు 2 into A square plus B square అది 2 into A square అంటే 9 plus B square అంటే root 3 whole square 3 minus this one 3 square 9 minus 3 6. So here 6 2 into 6 into cos 60 1 by 2. So 2 to cancel, 6 is there, here 12 into 2 24 minus 6, that will be 18. This is the C square. C value under root 18 is represented 3 root 2. Very easy. Third question, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3, the corresponding sides are in the ratio is dash. So here option A 1:2:3, B 1:3:2, C 1:√3:2, option D 1:√2:3. So for this you can take here, let angle be theta. Here it is the ratio 1:2:3 is there. So theta is to 2 theta is to 3 theta. Total sum of these angles is nothing but 180 degrees. So from that 6 theta is equal to 180, theta is equal 30 degrees. So theta is equal 30 degrees are there. So A is to B is to C is equal sin theta is to sin 2 theta is to sin 3 theta. So theta plus లో 30 పెడితే sin 30 sin 60 sin 90 sin 90 sin 30 అంటే 1/2 sin 30 √3/2 here 1 LCM చేసుకుంటే 1:√3:2 1:√3:2 option C is correct answer. Next coming to in a triangle ABC, if capital A is equal 75 degrees and capital B is equal 45 degrees, C is equal √3, this is the side, then B value is dash. Option A 2, B 3, C √2, D √6. So for this solution you can use sine rule. A by sin A is equal to B by sin B is equal C by sin C. C by sin C. మనకు B కావాలంటే ఇక్కడ ఉంది B, sin B ఉంది, sin C లేదు, C ఉంది. ఇప్పుడు ఈ Cని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి, C యాంగిల్. సో వీ నో A ప్లస్ B ప్లస్ C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 180 డిగ్రీస్ కాబట్టి సో ఇక్కడ AB ఇచ్చిండు, C కావాలి. C ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ 180 మైనస్ 75 మైనస్ 45, దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ C వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 60. C వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 60. యూ కెన్ టేక్ దిస్ పార్ట్ B by sin B is equal C by sin C. So B is equal to it పోతే C into sin B by sin C. So C ఎంత √3 into sin B అంటే sin B 45 by sin C 60, that is √3 into 1 by √2 by √3 by √3 by 2. √3 cancel, here 2 by √2, that is nothing but √2. So your option C is a correct answer. C is correct answer. And coming to next question, in a triangle ABC, if capital A is equal to 120, B is equal to 2, C is equal to 30 degrees, this is the degrees, capital A, capital C, then A value is dash, A value is dash. So here solution, how it is solved? A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. A is 180, B తెలియదు, C 30 is equal to 180. From that B value is 30. We know A by sin A is equal to B by sin B. We want to A value. A is equal to B sin A by sin B. So 2 into sin 120 by sin 30. So 2 into sin, this is the 90 plus 30, 120 అంటే 90 plus 30 by sin 30. 90 plus 30 second coordinate, cos 30 అయింది. 2 into cos 30 by sin 30, that is nothing but 2 into √3/2 by 1/2, 2 cancel, 2√3. 2√3 is your corresponding answer. 2√3 is your corresponding answer. Next problem, if A is equal √3 plus 1, comma B is equal to C is equal √2, then angle capital B is option A 45 degrees, option B 60 degrees, C 90 degrees, D 150 degrees. For this, here we know cos B is equal A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. ఆల్రెడీ A B C లు అన్నీ ఉన్నాయి, దీంట్లో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. √3 plus 1 whole square plus √2 whole square minus 2 whole square by 2 into A అంటే √3 plus 1 into √2. సో ఇది A plus B whole square, 3 plus 1 plus 2 √3 plus square root cancel 2 minus 4 by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. 4 minus 4 cancel. Here root 2 ni common diste root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1, 2 to cancel. Here 1 by 2. So now cos B is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So B value will be 45 degrees. 45 degrees. So like we have to find angle. Next problem, seventh problem. In a triangle ABC, if A is equal to 3, B is equal to 2 root 3, C is equal to root 3, then cos A is equal to dash. Option A 1, B 2, C 1 by 2, D 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. So here cos A is equal to B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. That is 2 root 3 whole square plus root 3 whole square minus 3 square by 2 into 2 root 3 into root 3. You can substitute that values. You can calculate here 12 plus 3 minus 9 by 12. That is nothing but 6 by 12, 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Option C is correct answer. Next, eighth problem. If A is equal to 13, B is equal to 14, C is equal to 15, then tan B by 2 is, tan B by 2 is, option A 1 by 7, B 2 by 7, C 3 by 7, D 4 by 7. So for that, here tan B by 2, tan B by 2 is equal under root of S into, S minus C into S minus A by S into S minus B. So you can calculate first S value. S is equal A plus B plus C by 2, that is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, 42 by 2, that is 21. So you can substitute now in this. Tan B by 2 is equal under root of 21 minus 15 into 21 minus 13 by 21 into 21 minus 14. So 21 minus 15 means under root of 6 into 8 by 21 into 7. 21 into 7. So 3 2s are 3 7s are 7 into 7, 7 square, 8 square, 16 into 4 by 7. Your option is D. D is correct answer. Next, coming to, if A is equal to 18, B is equal to 24, C is equal to 30, then sin A is dash. Same similar problem. ఇక్కడ tan B by 2 అడిగిండు, ఇక్కడ sin A అడిగినాం. ఆప్షన్ A 1 by 5, B 2 by 5, C 3 by 5, D 4 by 5. So here sin A is equal 2 del by BC. So 2 by BC into under root of S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. We know S value A plus B plus C by 2, that is 18 plus 24 plus 30 divided by 2, that is 72 by 2, 36. So S value is here 36 we are getting. You can substitute in that. So we can substitute this value A, B, C value in this. We will get sin A value easily. So in triangle ABC, the sides are 13, 14, 15. So its in radius అంటే small r is option A here 4, B 6, C 65 by 8, D 65 by 4. So how to solve this one? ఇక్కడ ఏమేమి ఇచ్చిండు? A ఇచ్చిండు 13, B value 14, C value 15 is there. So we know R is equal del by S. So del is equal, that is under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, and S is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2, that is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, that is you can add this one, we will get 42 by 2, that is 21 S value. So del is equal to under root of 21 into 21 minus A enta 13, 21 minus 14, 21 minus 15, that is nothing but del is equal to under root of 21 into 8 into 7 into 6, that is 84. So now R is equal to del by S. Del is 84 by S 21 4 jar. So option A is correct answer. Option A is correct answer. In A del A B C, if R1 is greater than R2 is greater than R3, then its sides are related to as option A is less than B is less than C, option B A less than B greater than C, option C A greater than B less than C, option D A greater than B greater than C, A greater than B greater than C, option D. So now here R1 is equal to, we know, del by S minus A, R2 is equal del by S minus B, R3 is equal del by S minus C. So R1 is greater than, R2 is greater than, R3 is given in your problem. From that, del by S minus A is greater than del by S minus B is greater than del by S minus C. దీన్ని రివర్స్ చేస్తే S minus A is less than, S minus B is less than S minus C. So S కూడా కామన్గా తీసేస్తే minus A is less than, minus B is less than, minus C. నెగిటివ్ సైన్ రివర్స్ చేసేస్తే A greater than, B greater than C. This is the option D is correct answer. Option D is correct answer. Next, coming to next problem. Find the value of B square minus C square. B square minus C square by A square is equal to dash. Option A sin B minus C by sin of B plus C. Option B sin B plus C by sin B minus C. Option C cos B minus C by cos B plus C. Option D sin A minus B by sin C. So we know sin rule, A by sin A is equal B by sin B is equal C by sin C is equal 2R. So small a is equal to that 2R sin A. So A square is equal to by the 4R square sin square A. Like you can substitute in this formula, that is B square minus C square by A square is equal 4R square sin B sin square B minus 4R square sin square C by 4R square sin square A. 4R square కామన్ తీసేస్తే పైన న్యూమరేటర్ డినామినేటర్ పార్ట్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. sin square B minus sin square C by sin square A. This will be written like sin B plus C by into sin B minus C by this one will be written like a plus b plus c is equal to 180. a plus b plus c is equal to 180. a ఉంది కాబట్టి 180 minus b plus c, 180 minus b plus c. సైన్ అప్లై చేస్తే సో ఇక్కడ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ బి ప్లస్ సి అని రాయొచ్చు. స్క్వేర్కి ఒకటి క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే మిగిలిన పార్ట్ ఏముంది, సైన్ ఆఫ్ బి మైనస్ సి బై సైన్ ఆఫ్ బి ప్లస్ సి. దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ ఫైనల్ ఆప్షన్ ఏ. ఆప్షన్ ఏ ఈజ్ కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. 30th problem. In a triangle ABC, if 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 is equal 2k by r, 2k by r, then k value is dash. Option A 1, B 1 by 2, C 1 by 3, D none. D none. So what is the formula here? 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 plus 1 by r3 is equal 1 by r. You can compare these two. Compare the 1 by r is equal to 2k by r. r cancel. K is equal to 1 by 2. K is equal 1 by 2. That is the answer. Next, coming to another problem. If the sides of a triangle, if the sides of a triangle are x comma y comma under root of x square plus xy plus y square, then the greatest angle is option A 90, B 120, C 150, D none. D none. So how to find the greatest అంటే cos C is equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Using this formula, a, b, c are there. Directly you can substitute here. X square plus y square minus under root x square plus xy plus y square whole square, square root further, by 2 into x comma x into y, 2 into x into y. So minus x plus x cancel, minus y plus y cancel. Here minus xy by 2xy, xy cancel, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2. So cos C is equal to minus 1 by 2. That C angle is nothing but 120. That is option B is correct answer. And one more problem we will discuss. In a triangle ABC, summation a square into cos square b minus cos square c is equal to dash. Option A 0, B 1, C 2, D 3. మ్యాక్సిమం ఇలా సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఉండి సమ్మేషన్ వచ్చినాయన్నీ ఆల్మోస్ట్ జీరోనే అవుతాయి. చూద్దాం ప్రాబ్లం ఏమైతే చూద్దాం. సమ్మేషన్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ బి, కాస్ స్క్వేర్ బిని ఏం రాద్దాం అంటే 1 మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ బి రాస్తున్నా, మైనస్ 1 మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ సి, 1 మైనస్ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ సి. దట్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ హియర్ minus 1 plus 1 క్యాన్సల్. Summation a square into this minus into minus plus, this is minus, so sin square c minus sin square b. So summation a square into sin square c means c by 2r whole square minus b by 2r whole square. So that is nothing but summation 1 by 4r square is common. Summation a square into c square minus b square, a square into c square minus b square. You can rotate that one, 4r square into here a square into c square minus b square plus b square into a square minus c square plus c square into b square minus a square, b square minus a square. You go minus a square plus a square, c square minus c square, b square minus plus b square cancel. ఆల్ ఆర్ అపియర్ జీరో. సో మ్యాక్సిమం 99% ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ జీరోనే వస్తాయి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. మరి ప్లస్ ఉంటే జీరో రాకపోవచ్చు, 99% జీరో రాదు. సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఉన్నప్పుడు జీరో వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ ట్రయాంగిల్ నుంచి 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ చాప్టర్ ఇది కూడా. కేర్ఫుల్గా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్.